स्वतंत्रता को बल देता है, समता न्याय का फल देता है। स्वतंत्रता को बल देता है, समता न्याय का फल देता है। जिसकी बदौलत भारत देश को मिला यहाँ सम्मान है। भारत का संविधान है, भारत का संविधान है, भारत का संविधान है, भारत का संविधान है। स्वतंत्रता को बल देता है, समता न्याय का फल देता है। जिसकी बदौलत भारत देश को मिला यहाँ सम्मान है। भारत का संविधान है, भारत का संविधान है, भारत का संविधान है, भारत का संविधान है। जो भी यहाँ पैदा होता है भारत माँ का लाल है। संविधान में इन बातों का रखा देखो ख्याल है। जो भी यहाँ पैदा होता है भारत माँ का लाल है। संविधान में इन बातों का रखा देखो ख्याल है। कोई मरे ना भूख प्यास से इसका प्रावधान है।
Constitution Day is also celebrated as National Law Day or Samvidhan Divas in India. It is celebrated on 26 November every year to commemorate the adoption of Constitution of India. On 26 November 1949, the Constituent Assembly of India formally adopted the Constitution of India. It came into force on 26 January 1950. Constitution Day of India aims to bring awareness on the importance of Indian Constitution and its architect, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. On November 25, 1949, the day before the Constituent Assembly wound up its proceedings, B.R. Ambedkar made a moving speech. It ended with 3 warnings for the future. The first was regarding the place of popular protest in a democracy. One must abandon the methods of civil disobedience, non-cooperation and satyagraha, he said. The second warning dealt with the unthinking submission to charismatic authority. Bhakti in religion may be the road to salvation of a soul, but in politics, bhakti or hero worship is a sure road to degradation and to eventual dictatorship. His final warning was that Indians should not be content with political democracy, as inequality and hierarchy were still embedded in Indian society. If we continue to deny it for long, we will do so only by putting our political democracy in peril. 26th November was marked as the Constitution Day of India by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the year 2015 as a part of year-long celebration of the 125th anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The Constitution declares India a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, assuring its citizens justice, equality and liberty, and endures to promote fraternity. The Constitution of India lays down the framework, democratic, fundamental political code, structure, procedures, powers, and duties of government institutions and sets out fundamental rights, directive principles, and the duties of citizens. In conclusion, I would like to say that the celebration of the Constitution of India is essential since we become aware of what values our predecessors wanted to instill in us. We must understand and stand by every word it says, since it provides a guideline as to how Indians should uphold themselves. I solemnly hope to become the Indian who makes this country proud. The Constitution only gives people the right to pursue happiness. You have to catch it yourself.
The preamble is a brief introductory statement of the Constitution that sets out the guiding purpose, principles and philosophy of the Indian Constitution. The preamble of the Constitution, based on the Objectives Resolution moved by Pandit Nehru and adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 26th November 1949. The 42nd Amendment of the Constitution, effected in 1976, amended the preamble to determine India as a sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic. We the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In a Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. The preamble embodies the basic philosophy and fundamental values, political, moral and religious, on which the Constitution is based. It contains the grand and noble vision of the Constituent Assembly and reflects the dreams and aspirations of the founding fathers of the Constitution. The preamble plays a very important role in shaping the destiny of the country. The preamble gives a brief idea to the makers of the Constitution so that the Constituent Assembly make plans and formulates the Constitution. Thank you.
We, the people of India,
having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949 to
hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.